Hi friends. Now I'm going to cover Bank Nifty analysis for next week. Okay. We are going to going through some slides where we analyze based on price action plus F&O data and option chain analysis for Bank Nifty. So first of all, I will just in a summary I will show the stock weightages in Bank Nifty index. You can see Bank Nifty index. There are say around 10 to 12 stocks where top 5 stock, if you see HDFC Bank, ICICI, Kotak, Axis and State Bank, all contribute more than 80, almost 88%. Okay, so you can see how these five stock price action is very important from Bank Nifty analysis. Okay, and mainly HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, which covers almost 50% of weightages. So now we see directly monthly and weekly chart of Bank Nifty. Okay, and just try to analyze what it is giving, what perspective it is giving. So on monthly chart you can see, just a minute, yeah, so monthly chart again you can see this low for 3 months, the same low was maintained, 17,000, around 60,500 to 17,000, and then price started moving upside. So we can say that on monthly chart price making higher lows, but no new high is made as such on closing basis here. So again that 22,000 level is protected here. Okay, in current month it tried to go up to 2300, 22,900, but it came back right now. Okay, and currently the Nifty, Bank Nifty price is at 21,900 level. So round figure is 22,000. Okay, so you can say that on monthly chart again sideways trend you can see. Now we'll go to again on lower time frame, that is weekly time frame. Here also we can see the price is exactly at 20 moving average. This blue line is 20 EMA. Okay, and price is last 3 to 4 weeks it is trading in the same range. This, and RSI is at 45 level, which is again showing neutral trend on weekly chart. So on monthly and weekly, yes, on higher time frame the trend is sideways and price is taking, or I can say is getting resistance near 20 EMA on weekly chart. Now we'll just go through on lower time frame, say daily and hourly chart, say for next week purpose, what we can see there. On daily chart, I just drawn two levels. Okay, this current swing high, last week swing high, this 23,000 level. Okay, where it touch Nifty touch first time after this post-COVID fall. Okay, and then but it came down sharply from that level, 23,000 level. Okay, but interestingly, it took support around 21,000 level last week, whole week, because we can see, you can see four daily candles are there, but low did not cross this 21,000 level. And why this 21,000 level is so important, because if you see to the left, you can see this resistance, this resistance, this resistance. Again, this is the price consolidation where at 21,000, and it then break out this range. First time it took support, now again it went up, and now it is coming down again. Second time it took support at 21,000. So previously this 21,000 level act as a resistance. Now definitely it is in future it is going to act as a major support for Bank Nifty index. So again, for on daily chart there are two Nifty at currently center point of 20 higher range, 23,000 and 21,000. So this thing you should keep in mind. Okay, when you try to when you do take any position in Bank Nifty. And again, RSI level is at approaching at 60 level. It does not cross 60 level. So Monday, so we have to see what happens on Monday. If it is gap down and gap up, sorry, and crosses this 60,000, then it may show some strength and may reach to 23,000 level. Okay, but at certainly the for next week trading range is 21,000 to 23,000. Now we just go to one more lower time frame. Just see the minute level, like hourly chart. Okay, this is the hourly chart of Bank Nifty index. Again, you can see again this higher level 23,000, okay, and this lower level 21,000, and we are at the right center of 22,000. And you can see to the left, this consolidation was happened on a hourly chart, okay, and price is exactly near this consolidation range here also. So this is going to be, I would not say this will act as a resistance or support, but yes, we have to see whether price on Monday it crosses this 22,100 or 200 level decisively, okay, and so it can move this. If it crosses with good green candle, say in the first or 2 hours, okay, then definitely the chances are high that it will reach to this 23,000 level. But again, on broader way, to conclude, 23,000 and will be act as a resistance. 21,000 will act as a support for Bank Nifty index in current week, 4-5 days.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, you mean to say there is definitely there is no downside movement, and uh, the upside movement will start near 20,000, 22,100, and it may reach to 22,800, 900, or 23,000, right?
Yes. So even if it come down, okay, say on Monday, again there is a consolidation at this level, and this moving average may act as this 20 EMA on hourly chart, okay. But at least there is a consolidation at this level, okay. So
But mostly due to HDFC Bank result,
right.
even if there is no big upward movement, but there will not be any downward movement, I think so.
Down. Yes. Yeah. It will happen. Yeah, it can happen. So that even if
Downside is almost nil.
yeah, it is almost nil. Yes, right.
But we have to be cautious if it is giving a gap up movement, and then again we should not go for long position around 22,600 or 800, because from there it may come down also, right?
Right. Yeah, this resistance. Yes, this 23,000. So even if you want to go long, just try to go near this level only, 22,000 level, keeping this stop loss. Just example, it is not a recommendation, but from risk reward perspective, this 200 point and this upside is around 500 to 600, okay. And if comes to below this 2100 level, okay, then definitely this is again strong support, okay, this 21,000. Here also you can plan some long, depending on, but again the current next week is going to be a very eventful week basically. So many results are coming, so be cautious, okay. It is not any support or any resistance can be broken, so you have to see where market basically, if there is any big news, positive news or negative news, okay, that will drive the market in next week. So just keep on these two levels, okay, 21,000 and 23,000 levels. Okay, so we'll just move ahead. Now we'll analyze the Bank Nifty index from future F&O data, where we mainly analyze our first we will understand future OI analysis. Okay, so this is the basically concept website screenshot. Okay, where OI volume, basically these bars are represents OI volumes. Okay, for 1 day closing basis. Okay, now you can say what we can see and what we can understood here. So when price reaches this 23,000 level, okay, immediately shorts started actively. So in system, short started. So last week you can observe this price action. So if I go to hourly chart, okay, as soon as this Bank Nifty index reaches to this 23,900, 22,800, 900 level, close to 23,000. Okay, immediately in the same day, this same day, shorts were built up in the system. So this first red candle basically, this first candle is of near this 22,800 level, and immediate next day also shorts were built up in the system, and price came down to sharply to 21,000 level. But what happened at 2100 level? Okay, no further shorts were built up. Okay, and these two short covering happen, and due to this short covering happen, 21 price again came back to this center level at 22,000 from 21 to. So what it indicates that, say if we do the combination, say on price chart also this 21,000 level, okay, is a strong level, support level, and for future OI also there is no additional shorts are getting built up at this level. Okay, at this level short covering happen is, it means that this level is going to work in next coming few trading session as a, it will act as a support again. Okay, that's why there is no subsequent shorts were built up, and instead of that we saw short covering at this level. So what I mean to say, it is basically F&O data and our price analysis again showing that 23,000 and 21,000 will be crucial level to look after. And this is again we can see in option chain analysis also, where for monthly chart, monthly expiry, July monthly expiry, we have max call OI at 23,000 and max put OI at 21,000. So from all the perspective, from chart analysis, technical analysis, and F&O data analysis, these two levels are going to be crucial level, and this should be our Bank Nifty trading range in the coming week. Yeah, so we'll just look now individual stock outlook, basically from Bank Nifty, top 5 stock which we saw total 88, this 5 stock which include which constitutes almost 90% of weightage in the Bank Nifty. Okay, as you have seen in Nifty analysis by Prem sir, the HDFC Bank is showing bullish trend, okay, on price action side, okay, and it has a very strong support near 1200 and 1035. So yes, it has a resistance at above level, but it is not going to come down easily, and this will give the basically support to the Bank Nifty, and it will take Bank Nifty higher. And due to result scenario, there is a high probability that Bank Nifty in HDFC Bank will continue its up in coming in next week also. Similarly, ICICI Bank, it is again neutral range, okay, and it is at 340. The CMP is 350, and it is taking near support as 340 level. I will just show one chart, okay, HDFC ICICI Bank chart. So I will show HDFC Bank chart first of all, because it is showing already, it is covered by Prem sir. So again you can see this whole, I will just add one point here. If you see Fibonacci retracement of this uptrend, it is exactly concluded near 50 level. So this 50, okay, if you see 50 level, and price exactly bounce back from that level. Okay, you can, so whatever retracement was to happen, it already happened, and it has chance to go up. There will be this swing high will be next basically hurdle for this HDFC index, HDFC Bank. But definitely in the result mode, if Monday gap up happen, it can cross this level, but it will have some, we have to look for this price action near 1130 level. Okay, I will just show you last slide now. And similarly, Axis Bank also, it is showing bullish trend, okay, and it took support near 400 and 420 level. And Kotak Bank again, it is in neutral territory on price action, and SBI also. So main basically factor or stock to take Bank Nifty up are going to be HDFC Bank and Axis Bank. Okay, these two stocks should give us some thrust to Bank Nifty to go up, and ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, they are not in the negative territory as such, but they are in the sideways trend. And if these two, HDFC Bank and other, if it gives as a sectoral, if any positive news comes, all 4 to 5 banks may, private banks basically, may start gaining the momentum, and Bank Nifty will go on higher side. It is to the 23,000 level, and it may cross that level also if results are showing any good sign for remaining bank stocks, because HDFC already declared its result. Okay, now we are going to watch this ICICI, Kotak, and Axis Bank result in the coming week. So guys, so again, to conclude, keep watch on HDFC Bank and Axis Bank for bullish movement, and they are going to support Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty trading range will be 21,000 is a good support, and 23,000 will be first hurdle for Bank Nifty in the coming week. So that's it from my side. I just conclude my session analysis on Bank Nifty.
Okay. Thank you, Sandeep. Thanks a lot.